Hello friends, I am Dr. Vineet Sehgal and I am your ophthalmology faculty of Manipal MedAce. I have more than 12 years of teaching experience and I am mentoring the students from their MBBS professional exams to their residencies. What we have done in Manipal MedAce is, in 36 hours, 700 MCQs and the related notes, we have covered whatever you want to know in ophthalmology. There are a lot of clinical case-based scenarios that are being asked nowadays. So we have made some tricks to solve these types of questions. What you do is just go through the app, go through the videos, solve the MCQs, see the notes and revise it again. I am 100% sure that you would solve more than 90% of the questions that are coming in your exams of INI-CET, NEET-PG as well as your MBBS professional exams. So join this revolution of Manipal MedAce. Happy learning.